Hello beautiful people. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Caro. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing fine as well. In case you're new here, karibu sana, and kindly consider subscribing for more exciting and amazing videos. So guys, we are still along the Eastern Bypass, to be precise, in Kamakis. This is another studio apartment that is going for 2,500 per day. Guys, I'll take you through this one and then you can let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. For those who have not watched my previous video, go and watch and then you can come and compare with this one. The price is the same. Let me know what you think about it. Everything about this video, I'll leave it in the description box down below, including the number. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So guys, this is the entrance door of our studio apartment. So from there we have the microwave, the tissue holder over there, and the fridge. And then of course here we have the doormat, we have the dispenser, and then we have a mini cooker over here. So that's how it looks like. From there we have the cutlery holder over here. Then from there we have more cabinets over here for storage, of course. And then we have the sink, the dish rack over here. We have more cabinets over here in case you want to cook something. We have more utensils here. So that's basically how it looked like. And then that's basically our kitchen area, guys. I'm going to give you the full area of the kitchen area. And then we have the kitchen mat over here and the dustbin at the far end. And then we have this door that is heading to the balcony. I'm going to give you the balcony view. That's basically how it looks like. And then guys, I'm going to take you through the sitting area. That's our screen. That's how it look like. We have some deco piece over here, and then in terms of internet we have it, and then we have the TV cabinet and of course the sound bars. From there we have these two coffee tables over here. In terms of breakfast, as you can see, we've got you covered. From there we have a two-seater couch, really bouncy and comfortable. That's how it look like. So guys, I'm going to give you the full view of the sitting area. We have the bed, the white linen over there. That's how it look like. And then we have this portrait over here just to decorate the room, and these two lightings. From there we have this closet, and of course the mat over there. And then we have the mirror. That's the mirror. And then we have this deco piece. So guys, I'm going to give you the whole view of the studio apartment, and then you can let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. That's basically how it look like. I'm going to give you the view from the balcony. That's the view you get from the balcony. And then from there we have these two bistro sets. We have a bistro set, just you come here and relax yourself, enjoying the balcony view. So from here I'm going to take you through the washroom area. In case you want to shower with hot water, we've got you covered. Switch it off. And then we have the mat over here, and of course some sandals. This is how the washroom look like. So guys, that's basically the end of our studio apartment today. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.